Starting off with skin prep, I'm using a little bit of this gorgeous 3-in-1 balm. You only need the tiniest amount. It's made from 100% natural ingredients and it smells divine. It's quite an unusual consistency. As you work it into the skin, it almost turns into an oil. I also like to give my face a bit of a massage at this time. I do tend to get a little bit puffy, so this helps. I'm going to be using the Saint Flawless Radiant Skincare Foundation today. I'm just going to apply it with my fingers. On clients, I would use a brush, or if I wanted some maybe extra coverage, I'd use a brush. I'm wearing the shade Linen and I used the shade finder online to pick this shade. As you can see, it's a really good match for my skin tone. As always, don't forget to bring it down your neck, and if you're going to be wearing your hair up, make sure you get a little bit of the fairer patch behind your ear that doesn't usually get a lot of sun. Now going in with a good lick of mascara. This one is vegan and it contains some nourishing waxes that will help to protect your lashes and make it last longer. For our first look, we're going to use this lipstick in the shade New York at 1 PM. It's a gorgeous pink. The formula of these lipsticks is so lovely to wear, and they're also packed with a whole bunch of amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals, so they're doing your lips some good at the same time. This look is super simple and fun, but let's take it up a notch. I'm going to take a black eyeliner and put it right through the base of my lashes and also the upper waterline. Just going to pull it out into a tiny wing and use this simple trick to get the angle of the wing right. Rub off any excess. Now using the shade Paris at 7 PM, which is a gorgeous true red. If reds scare you, you can just do a little patting motion for more of a bitten soft look, or go right in with the bullet and some pressure for a true red. Now let's take the lips down a notch but really smoke the eyes up. Going back in with the same liner, I'm adding extra black and then using a cotton tip just to smoke out the edges. Keep layering it up until you get it as dark as you'd like. Adding more to the bottom waterline and lash line and smoking it out with a cotton tip for a very lived-in look. This liner doesn't dry down, so you do have plenty of time to work with it and get it to your desired smokiness. To balance out the strong eye, we're going to use a softer, more neutral lip. This is the shade Sydney 8 AM. It's been my absolute go-to for an everyday shade as well. I'm also going to use it as a blush to add a little bit of colour and life to my cheeks. And that's the final look. So hopefully you can see there are lots of different products you can use in multiple ways to create different looks. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.